For this video, we will be downloading, installing, and starting up the programs you'll be using for the rest of this course. Now the first thing we will be installing is an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. It helps you write, compile, run, and debug programs. This is what we're using to edit, create, and run Java programs. It also requires a JDK, or Java Development Kit, installed on the machine. Now, this is very technical, and you don't need to know the specifics of what a JDK is. Just realize that this is what the IDE uses in order to use Java. Now, the first thing we'll be doing is downloading the IDE called Eclipse, and this is what you're going to be using for editing Java. And the first thing you have to do is first click on the downloads, and you'll be clicking on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you'll click on this one, and it should, oh sorry, my bad. Should click on this one, 64-bit. That's what the default memory byte that the system uses, and it will take you to this page. Click on downloads, and it should take you to this page, and then a little download will pop up here. Before you click on it though, you have to go download the Java JDK. And if you haven't already, you either need to go to Mr. Linen to have it installed on your school laptop, or you can do it manually if you're putting it on your personal computer by going to oracle.com/technetwork, this page, and it should lead you to this page, and then you just need to click on windows.64 file, and it should install for you, and you must make it so. Java SE Development Kit 8U151. And afterwards, a download should pop up as well. You just need to click on it and download. So after you've installed your IDE, after you've downloaded your IDE installer, which is the Eclipse installer, just click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. I've already changed the installation folder, and I've already installed everything. Just make sure to have create start menu entry and create desktop shortcuts so you can easily access it instead of just going to your file, .exe, and then having to look for it over and over again. So, just use the shortcut. It's easier. And I've already installed it, so I'll just skip to when I open it. So now I've opened it, and it should lead you to this window, which is selected directory as a workspace. Sorry about that. I just wanted to close that out. And this is the default workspace again, but for now I'll just keep it because I'm not really running out of space. And use this as default and do not ask again, so that way you don't get repetitive inquiries about it. And just launch, and I'll just wait for this to launch. I'll just skip to it when it did launch because I feel like there's an awkward amount of time. Okay, so it's open now. So to start up, first create a new Java project, and it should bring up this window. This should be fine. This should be fine. All you need to do is create a project name. For now, we'll call this programming class, and we'll click next. And the rest of this should also be fine, so just click finish. And now it should bring you to this. Now, the next thing you need to do is click on new, right? Then you need to click on class. Now this is going to bring this window up, and you're going to call this class whatever you want. For now, I'll call this, say, test1. Now I'm going to finish, and it should bring up an automatic class block, and that should be about it. You're ready now to use Eclipse and begin on your first project or code, whatever the following videos will do. In further cases, in case you need to make a new class, just click File, New, and Class, and then there you go. That should about wrap it up for this video.